composition. The main component of paints are binders, pigment and extenders, and often also solvents and various additives. Binder. The primary functions of the binder are to ensure that the pigment particles are bound together and to ensure that the paint has proper adhesion to the substrate. In most paint types, the binder is an organic material related to plastic materials. The binder determines the film-forming process of the paint. Pigments. Usually the function of the pigments is to impact color and opacity to the paint. Apart from that, they protect the binder from being broken down by the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Some pigments provide active corrosion prevention. The pigments determines the color, hiding power and gloss of the paint. The most important white pigment is titanium dioxide. The refractive index of titanium dioxide is higher than for other white pigments. Extenders. Extenders, also called fillers, are mineral materials used in finely powderized form in the paint. The extenders should provide body to the paint without impairing its properties. The extenders are usually white or light gray, but in general they do not contribute to the opacity nor color of the paint. Solvents. Solvents in the paint should rather be avoided, but binders often have properties which make the use of solvents necessary. The solvents dissolve the binder in such a way that the paint obtains a suitable viscosity. The solvent must be compatible with the binder. Not all solvents dissolve well binders. The paint factory chemists must know which solvents can be used. Solvents are volatile substances. This means that they evaporate from a paint film more or less quickly. Additives. Additives may be of many different types and serve many different purposes. Oxidatives or drying agents are used in oxidatively drying paints such as alkyd and oil paints to improve drying times. They consist of compounds of cobalt, manganese, calcium, zirconium and fatty acids. They affect the oxygen uptake in the paint film. Other catalysts having an influence on the curing rate are used in other paints and coatings, for example hydrogen peroxide in polyester. Anti-foaming agents and bactericides are used in waterborne paints. Dispersing agents are normally used in paint to assist in getting the pigments finely dispersed during paint production. Other additives are to prevent pigments from settling in the can.